So as someone in the videography space for a couple of years now, what I found over that time is my kit has just grown, right? What starts out as maybe a single camera and a lens in a small bag quickly grows to multiple lenses, cameras, audio equipment, some lighting gear, different stands and things. And so what you find is not only in increasing the number of cases you have, you want to try to maximize the amount of space you can get out of every case. So I ended up picking up a couple of Pelican 1510 cases, and they've been great. However, the lid and the lid organizing options there leave a little something to be desired. One of the cases I got was the 1510 SE, which came with sort of a laptop-based lid organizer, and it's okay. I find it doesn't quite fit my 16-inch MacBook Pro in its soft bag very well, and I do want to use it in its soft bag simply because I want to be able to put the dongles with it. Now I can fit other accessories in there that aren't a laptop, but then I have to put them in separate bags, and it gets a little bit awkward finding them within a large space like that. Now the other Pelican case I have just didn't come with any lid organizer, it just came with the standard piece of foam, meaning I really wasn't utilizing the lid at all, and with the piece of foam in there, it helps protect gear, but of course the foam piece also is just gonna kind of come loose and fall out every time unless I secure it more permanently. So I wanted to look for just some more lid organizing options so I could make better use out of my Pelican cases. Now looking through the different lid organizer options, there's sort of a mixed assortment of options that you have. Pelican makes some official ones, though to my eyes, the netting on them doesn't look quite as secure as I'd like to hold different items or heavier things like certain batteries or even larger cables. Not to mention there are some third-party options, but a lot of the ones I had found and looked through tended to be a bit pricey and or out of stock and or not quite the best options in terms of having right-sized compartments to fit the sort of things I wanted to put in there. Now then I came across the A-MoDe or A-MoDe 1519A case, I believe it is, on Amazon. And this is designed for the 1510 and 1535 Air cases, I believe specifically. And I don't know if there's other models for the other Pelican cases out there. But there was a lot to like about it just in even seeing what it offered. The price point seemed really compelling at $55 US. The different lid compartments and sizes look to be made really well out of different nylon and nice plastics. Also having a larger, more opaque component that you could zip up, and with a little compartment that could hide the zipper. So overall, I figured I would give it a try for just one of my Pelican cases. And long story short, it was great, and so I ordered a second one. Now, in terms of getting the lid, it does ship ultimately and is made by a third-party company and seller, so I found that it does take roughly a few weeks or so to get here or to your place. So not something you'd want to try to order in a pinch if you needed it. Once you do get it, it comes in pretty nondescript packaging. When you do get it, it'll come with 6 Phillips head screws. If your Pelican case doesn't have any lid organizer within it, it's simply a matter of unvelcroing the 2 sections from each other and screwing in the main base section, screw by screw, and then attaching it with Velcro. Of course, if your Pelican case does come with a lid organizer, you'd want to detach that and the screws that came with it first. All in all, though, I've been really happy with this lid organizer in terms of what it offers. Not only are the contents within there seemingly well protected, but the compartments themselves look to be pretty rigid and well made. They're easy to use and open and close with the Velcro option. You have that zippable option for more secure items. All in all, it seems like a really great value. Now you might wonder why even make a video like this on a Pelican lid organizer, right? It seems like a pretty insignificant item to do something on. I do think that little kind of hidden gem products like this are a really nice find, right? And sometimes hard to find, especially when you're kind of navigating the realm of third-party sellers for things and not going about the typical recommended brand mode. So it seemed like something that was worth doing a review on. And again, when I've ordered 2 of them to something and I like it that much, it seems like something that's a worthy review. So certainly if you have a 1510 or 1535 and you're in the market for a lid organizer, this is something I'd highly recommend. And no affiliation with that company or any kickback or anything from it. This is just me sort of wanting to sing the product's praises because it's been really solid. So let me know if you have any questions or if you are in the market for a lid organizer. This is something I'd certainly recommend. And if you're curious about maybe doing more little product reviews and things of this nature, that is something I might do. Because obviously as your kit grows, well, you get more stuff. And with more stuff, that's some more things you can talk about. So I'll see you later.